So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to factory reset your BlueStack and wipe all data. So guys, if you want to factory reset and wipe all the data, so for this guys, first of all you close your uh, desktop, like not the desktop, the application of BlueStack. And guys, here you see the option of BlueStack Manager. When you go here, so guys, you choose your BlueStack like this, and guys, first you stop it. Okay, after that, when you stop it, so guys, here you see the option of delete. When you delete it, so guys, here you see this will erase all the instant except the matter and the running instance. So you can simply click the option of delete and your application is now delete. Now you create the duplicate and the new instance is like just a new instance. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.